From early morning to late night, one person can do 100 small jobs, and many people do not even see them.
Yes, and today we are talking about something very real, very busy, and very important.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Simple English Talks.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here.
Today, we're talking about a housewife's day.
And before we begin, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us, and it helps more learners find these simple English conversations.
Okay, let's begin.
Hope, when you hear the words a housewife's day, what comes to your mind first?
Honestly, many things come to my mind at the same time.
That already sounds busy.
Yes, very busy. I think of waking up early, making breakfast, cleaning, washing clothes, helping children, cooking again, and then doing even more work.
Yes, and that is important to say. Many people think staying at home means resting all day.
Those people need one full day in that house.
I agree.
A housewife's day is often full from morning to night, and sometimes there is not even a real break.
Let's talk about the morning first. I think the morning is the busiest time.
Oh, yes, morning can feel like a race.
What happens first?
First, she wakes up. Sometimes very early, maybe before everyone else.
The house is quiet for a short time.
Yes, that little quiet time can feel very nice.
Maybe she washes her face, fixes her hair, and goes to the kitchen.
And then breakfast begins.
Tea, coffee, bread, eggs, cheese, maybe milk for the children.
Yes, and maybe someone says, "Where are my socks?"
Yes, the famous socks question.
Always missing, always important, always needed in 10 seconds.
Socks disappear more than magic tricks.
That is true. Maybe socks have their own secret life.
They leave the house and never come back.
They go on vacation. No message, no goodbye. Okay, back to the real morning.
Yes, breakfast on the table, everyone is getting ready, and the housewife is moving from one room to another.
She may wake up the children, help them dress, fix school bags, prepare water bottles, and remind them to hurry up.
And maybe she is still not fully awake herself.
Exactly. Her body is in the kitchen, but her brain is still saying, "Please, 5 more minutes."
Very human.
Then, after breakfast, she cleans the table, washes dishes, and starts the next job.
And the next job is often cleaning, right?
Yes, sweeping the floor, making the beds, opening windows, cleaning dust, putting things back in place.
A home can get messy very fast.
So fast. You clean one room, you turn around, and another room says, "Excuse me, I am a mess too."
The house is giving work orders.
Yes, the sofa says, "Fix the pillows." The table says, "Wipe me." The floor says, "Look at this dust."
But really, these small jobs matter. They make the home feel calm and comfortable.
Yes, and many people feel good in a clean home, even if they do not think about the person who cleaned it.
That person often works quietly.
Very quietly. And that work deserves respect.
Then there is laundry.
Laundry never ends.
Never?
Never. You wash clothes, then more clothes appear, like a movie monster.
A laundry monster.
Yes, a very clean monster, but still a monster.
Washing, drying, folding, putting clothes away.
And sometimes ironing, too.
That can take a lot of time.
Yes, especially for a big family. One person at home can do the work of many people.
And in the middle of all this, there may be children at home too.
Yes, a small child may need food, a bath, clean clothes, playtime, help, comfort, many things.
So it is not only housework, it is care too.
Exactly. Care is a big part of a housewife's day. She may feed the child, teach the child, listen to the child, and calm the child when the child cries.
That is emotional work too.
Yes, not just physical work.
What about shopping?
Yes, shopping can be part of the day too. She may make a list, check what is missing, go to the market, compare prices, and carry bags home.
That takes planning.
It does. A good housewife often plans many small things in her mind.
Food, cleaning products, school needs, maybe medicine, maybe fruit, maybe bread.
And all while thinking, what will I cook today?
That question comes every day.
Every single day.
If I had to answer that every day, I would panic on day 3.
Day 3. Mark, I thought you were stronger than that.
No, by day 3, I would say, everyone, please eat bananas.
Bananas for breakfast, bananas for lunch, bananas for dinner.
A very healthy, very sad menu.
Yes.
But really, cooking every day is not easy.
Yes, because it is not only cooking. First, you think of the meal. Then you prepare it. Then cook it. Then serve it. Then clean after it.
So one meal has many steps.
Exactly. Cutting vegetables, washing rice, making soup, cooking meat, baking bread, or preparing salad.
And sometimes people eat in 10 minutes after 1 hour of work.
Yes. That part can hurt a little.
I think lunchtime is one of the big moments of the day.
Yes, everyone comes together. People eat, talk, maybe rest a little.
Does the housewife rest too?
Well, sometimes a little, sometimes not.
Honest answer.
Maybe she sits down for tea. Maybe she checks the kitchen again. Maybe she washes dishes before resting.
And maybe just when she sits down,
Someone says, "Mom, where is my notebook?"
the work follows her.
Yes, like a friendly shadow, but sometimes not very friendly.
Let's talk about the afternoon. What happens then?
The afternoon can be different. Maybe more cleaning, maybe helping children with homework, maybe preparing clothes, maybe visiting a family member, maybe doing small home tasks,
Such as?
fixing a button, organizing a drawer, checking school papers, cleaning the fridge, watering plants, calling someone in the family.
So many things that people do not always notice.
Yes, because home life has many invisible jobs.
Invisible jobs. That is a very good way to say it.
Thank you. These are jobs that keep life moving, but people may not say thank you for them every day.
Do you think people should say thank you more often?
Yes, 100%. A simple thank you matters. A small, kind word matters.
Respect matters too.
Very much. A housewife is not doing nothing. She is doing many things every day.
And some people think this work is easy.
Then I invite them to do it for 1 week.
A full week?
Yes. And no running away on Wednesday.
Wednesday is the danger day?
Yes. On Wednesday, the laundry monster returns, and the kitchen asks for help, and the floor says, "I missed you."
There is also another side, the emotional side. Staying at home all day can feel lonely sometimes.
Yes, that is very true.
The house may be full of work, but still quiet.
A housewife may feel tired, or unseen, or lonely, especially if nobody asks how she feels.
That is important.
Yes, people need care too, even the person who gives care all day.
So what can help?
Small things can help. A short walk, a phone call with a friend, A cup of tea in peace. 10 quiet minutes. Kind words from family. Shared housework.
Shared housework is a big one.
Ooh, yes. Very big.
I think many homes become better when work is shared.
Yes. If a husband helps, if children help, the home feels lighter.
Even small help matters, right?
Of course. Washing your own plate. Putting your clothes in the right place. Making your bed. Helping with shopping. These are small things, but they help a lot.
And they show respect.
Exactly.
Also, people can stop asking where their socks are every morning.
Yes, please. Please start there.
Step 1 for peace in the home. Learn your own sock location.
New life lesson from Simple English Talks.
We teach deep wisdom here.
Oh, yes. 100%.
Let's imagine one simple day. A woman wakes up at 6.
She goes to the kitchen, makes tea, prepares breakfast, and wakes the children.
She helps them get ready for school.
Then she cleans the table, washes dishes, and makes the beds.
After that, she starts the laundry.
Then she sweeps the floor, cleans the living room, and checks what food is needed.
She goes to the market.
She comes back with heavy bags. And maybe one child says, "Do we have snacks?"
Perfect timing.
Always perfect timing.
Then she cooks lunch.
She serves the meal, eats a little, clears the table, and washes dishes again.
In the afternoon, she folds clothes and helps with homework.
Maybe she also calms a crying child, or speaks to a neighbor, or fixes a small problem in the house.
Then evening comes.
And she starts dinner.
So the kitchen opens again.
The kitchen never really closes.
24-hour service.
Yes, but no salary at the end of the month.
That line is simple, but strong.
Yes, because it is true for many women.
And after dinner?
More dishes, cleaning up, preparing for tomorrow, checking school clothes, maybe taking a shower late, and then finally resting.
Very late sometimes.
Yes, very late sometimes.
Do you think people understand this work more now than before?
Some people do, and that is good. But some people still do not understand.
Why not?
Because homework looks normal. When it is done well, people only see the result. They do not see the long process.
Clean clothes, cooked food, clean rooms, happy children. These things appear in front of them.
Yes, but behind them is time, energy, care, and patience.
A lot of patience.
Especially with children. And missing socks. And people who open 10 kitchen drawers and still say, "I can't find it."
I feel attacked.
Mark, are you that person?
I prefer the words creatively searching.
Creatively searching? That means making a bigger mess.
Sometimes, yes.
Oh no, that is not help.
Another important point is value. Work at home has value, even if money is not paid for it.
Yes. Cooking, cleaning, raising children, planning the home. These are important parts of life.
A family stands on these daily actions.
Very true.
What youth actually from her family?
Respect, help, kind words, and real understanding.
That sounds right.
She does not need people to say she is perfect every hour, but she should not feel invisible.
Yes, being seen matters.
Even one sentence can help. Thank you for the meal. Thank you for cleaning. You worked hard today.
Those words are small, but warm.
And free.
Free is good.
Yes, free and powerful.
Some housewives also try to find a little time for themselves.
Yes, and that is healthy. Maybe reading, maybe prayer, maybe a walk, maybe watching something funny, maybe sitting quietly for a few minutes.
Those small moments can give energy.
Exactly. The person who cares for everyone also needs care.
And with the women, who important too.
Some women truly enjoy caring for the home and family, and that choice should be respected.
So the point is not to look down on the role.
Yes, respect the role and respect the person.
Very well said.
Thank you.
I also think a housewife learns many skills.
Oh, yes, many skills.
Time management, planning, cooking, cleaning, budgeting, patience, problem solving,
And fast walking from room to room.
Olympic level walking.
Yes, with a basket in one hand and a spoon in the other.
That image is too real.
And maybe answering 3 questions at the same time.
Superhero training.
Yes,
But superheroes get tired too.
yes, they do.
So if someone listening today lives with a housewife, what can they do?
Start with simple things. Say thank you. Notice her work. Help without waiting to be asked. Clean your own space. Be kind.
And maybe ask, how are you feeling today?
That question can mean a lot.
And if someone listening is a housewife herself,
Then I want to say, your work matters. Your time matters. Your care matters.
yes, it matters very much.
And please remember, resting is not laziness. Rest is important too.
That is a good line.
I mean it.
Before we finish, what is one word for a housewife's day?
I choose full.
Full. That is a good word.
Full of tasks, full of care, full of movement, full of love. And sometimes full of noise too.
Yes, very full of noise sometimes.
Especially when someone cannot find one sock.
The sock story survived until the end.
It deserved to.
My word is valuable,
Ooh, that is beautiful.
because the work may look small from outside, but it holds daily life together.
Yes, and that is something many people should remember.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed spending this time with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and write in the comments what topic you want in the next episode.